Hello there everyone, I hope you are having a great day. Today I would like to take you through another video following my marathon trip at the Primark in Hammersmith, and I'll explain to you everything in a second. So as you can see here, I purchased several items. Those shirts you see at the back are shirts I purchased recently, several months ago, if you saw the video, because I really like my white shirts. I have got so many white shorts with short sleeves, long sleeves, sleeveless, whatever you want, with lace, without lace, with frills, with anything. And I couldn't resist. I purchased even more at Primark in Hammersmith. It was this white cotton shirt, and as you can see is 100% cotton, has got sleeves up to the elbow, frills underneath the bust, and is a bit transparent, made in Turkey. And why I got this shirt is because I want to cut it in half at the front, put some Indian influenced haberdashery, and beautify it with several types of laces, so basically to make it look completely different in order to wear it with, say, a very small top underneath in spring, summertime, when it's over 23-24 degrees. So yes, I'm going to cut it in the middle. So I got this shirt, and the next one you're going to see in a second, the black one, which is buttoned in the middle, so the transformation of that one is going to be easier. And I got them at Hammersmith. By mistake, I got the black one in a size 12, and as I want to cut it, as I mentioned to you, it made sense to buy a bigger size, so I purchased size 16. As I bought from Hammersmith by mistake the size 12, one day I was in Westfield shopping center and I thought, why not replace the black one with a bigger size. So this is a black shirt with collar and long sleeves, as you can see it here. I really like those little laces around the collar. This shirt is a combination cotton and polyester. The sleeves are long, so it's almost similar to the white one. Now, it was so difficult to get it in Westfield, and I even came across 3 managers and they wouldn't help me. There was another shirt, a lace shirt, similar to the lace shirt you're going to see again in a second. And that shirt was returned by another customer it was one in black I wanted to purchase, with the labels cut. And I said, well, no worries, I don't care if the labels are cut. There are other shirts in size 8, we can compare them. They're all priced £5, and in Westfield they were not reduced, so they wanted to sell it to me for £13. I couldn't believe. Whereas in Hammersmith they're only £5, so they were reduced. And I thought, yeah, this is what I want to do. I want to modify all these shirts. I want to make them look in Indian style. And the managers in Westfield said, no, we prefer to give it to charity rather than sell it to you. I said, why wouldn't you sell it to me? I'm willing to pay for it. I was so disappointed. I just dropped everything, and several days later I was in Tottenham Court Road area, and I popped in that Primark there, and I saw this shirt in black you're seeing here. They replaced it for me straight away without any issues. Again, the reduced price was not on the shirt, but when I took it to the cashier it was reduced to £5. So this is something you have to watch at all the Primarks. They say, oh, we don't reduce them, as I said in Westfield. Yet in Tottenham Court Road, this white blouse, the lace one, you are seeing it now, was also reduced. So they had in black, they had also in beige, whereas in Westfield they were still full price. and in Tottenham Court Road I only discovered they were reduced when I was at the cashier. So this is very, very interesting. This white lace or off-white lace shirt, I purchased it from Hammersmith. I liked it. Is scallop lace, is very good quality lace, and as I have got so many shirts, lace shirts, of course I'm going to modify even this one. I have got, as I said, maybe close to 50, 80 white shirts, all kind of stuff. Some of them are made by me. I like cutting items since I was very, very young, but nowadays because of the arthritis I can't cut as I want, putting lots of laces and making them look very, very expensive. So if you have got a sewing machine in the house, this is what I highly recommend. Go to eBay, buy your gorgeous haberdashery there, which is very, very cheap, so you don't have to pay money on the transport and searching in London if you are likely to find something which is going to be more expensive, sometimes 2 or 3 times more expensive than on eBay. So buy your haberdashery on eBay and modify your blouses yourself. The next is a black cardigan, and although again I have got lots of black cardigans, I decided to get this one because again it's very cheap. I like my polo neck tops. I couldn't find something, so I said okay, no worries, I'm going to wear this cardigan with a top underneath which is going to be on the neck, and I like because it has got these very small cute buttons. I'm going to apply probably some haberdashery again. This is an item I purchased in a large size, and it's funny because the coat you're going to see in a second again is a size 12, and even so is a bit larger than me. So this is very, very strange, these sizes you find at Primark. So I am the type, when I buy something, I don't return it. I can't be bothered to return it. So once I get something, I'll always modify it, make it more beautiful. And yes, all the items in my videos are purchased by me. They're not presents from designers or whatever as you see around. So these are all items purchased by me, or if my other half purchases for me perfumes or any other things, I always let you know. But this is a family thing, so you can't say that is sponsored. Well, the next item is a gorgeous pink coat. Is winter, spring, is for a light weather, and it was full price, £23. It is a combination of polyester and other things, and it's something you can't wear all the time because it's light pink. I've got lots of light pink coats, and I tend to buy mainly white coats. I have got over 10 white coats because I like them so much. And I saw this one at Primark. I thought, they had in red, black, pink, and I think beige. I decided to get this one in light pink because it looks very, very cute. I like this kind of light colors, and I prefer light colors in winter time as opposed to dark colors. I don't know why, but it's one of those preferences. Sometimes I like being dressed as a rocker with black leather leggings or anything black and black boots. Sometimes I like being dressed very, very elegant, and I tend to change all the time, whether it's winter, summer, spring, whatever, for every situation. I really like this coat, is very well made. It's made in Vietnam and it's beautifully made, as I said, outside and inside. And I might only change the buttons as I'm not happy with the buttons, but the rest I think is pretty perfect. When you have this kind of coats, you always have to pay attention where you wear them because they tend to get dirty pretty fast. The next item you're going to see pretty soon is something I also purchased recently from Primark, purely because they were very, very beautiful. Christmas has passed, but this is something I can wear in the future, next year at Christmas or in 2 years, because I don't wear the items I buy all the time. I have got so many. I have got miles of clothing and shoes and bags, and I really like these slippers because they're made of sequins, as you can see there, and on one side the sequins are red, on the other side they are green, so you can change the color according to how you move your hand. I really like that the little bell you see there is very, very cute. And the only thing is, if you have pets in the house, probably they're going to have a go at them. Also, one other thing I found at Primark and I was very impressed is these 3 pairs of 80 denier opaque tights. So 80 means they are very, very thick. For example, normally what we wear is tights of around 10 denier. If you are in a suit, for example, and you want to have light tights. Means they are very, very thick, as I said. They are very well constructed. I think I saw made in Serbia. Good waist. There are 3 pairs for $4.50. I got them in size medium. I'm a 5'7" tall and a size probably 12 nowadays, so if they suit me and you are something like me, probably they are going to suit you too. In the past I used to get this kind of very thick tights when you wear them with the skirt above the knee, something like frilly. And I used to pay like £20 from Dunskin, I think it was the brand, some years ago, and you couldn't find anything like this. And the last 2 items you are seeing here are 2 eye foils, they're called there. Basically they're liquid eyeliners, and one is glitter, the other one is copper. The glitter one is not as strong as I would have thought, so I think I paid $4.50, I'm not sure, for each of them. So I wouldn't recommend it, but the copper one is very, very good, and I tried them last night. They were very, very good, especially the copper one. So this glitter one, you might want to apply it on top of white eyeliner or anything like that, just above the eye area. Well, this is what I'm going to do myself, because as you can see it's very, very light, and they tend to dry probably in some 60 seconds, so they dry beautifully, especially the copper one. You can apply several layers. Well, there you have it. I hope all this information was of any help to you. It inspired you what to purchase from Primark, and thank you for watching. Have a very nice day. Bye.